So turn this seat, you can see that those spots, into this. Hey guys, welcome back to World of Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you the easiest and one of the most affordable ways to clean your car seats. You can see quad seats like that. The method works really good, and it's something that we will definitely recommend. So those spots will be gone. Stay with us and you'll see how. So this is what we'll be using here. It's multi-surface cleaner 303, really good brand. You can use that thing on fabrics, metal, vinyl, plastics, safe cleans all water safe surfaces. So it's really good. So you can see it's super easy to use. You can find the directions on the back. Clean and brightens all water surface. Rinses residue free, alcohol free, that's very important as well. So all you have to do now, okay, open the can, and it comes with 40 wet wipes. You don't need to worry about any special tools or anything like that. Okay, and those wipes are soaked. You can see how soaked they are. My fingers are soaking wet now. So in that case, all you will have to do is get the wipe, okay, and check out now those spots, how they will be gone. Okay, some spots might require a little bit more time. Usually if the seats are not bad, you can do the bottom seat with one wipe. If they need more attention, you need to use 2 wipes. And you need to give it about 10 minutes and everything will be super dry, and you will need to not worry about having any spots left. Okay, so we'll do that for the rest of the seat. I'll come back and show you the result in just a minute. So you can see so far how much better it looks. I got a second wipe, and this one is for the back here. Once in a while, okay, you have to flip the wipe to get the other side, because dust and dirt will accumulate in the towel and you don't want that to go back in the seat. So far you can see how much better it looks. We'll give it a few minutes to dry and show you the end result. Now the seat is drying, we'll get one towel and check out now the engine cover. Okay, you can make that thing like brand new again. I always like to keep the engine clean. That's the dustiest I've seen it lately, but you can see how good it works. Okay, we'll just give it a few minutes. I'll do the whole cap here as well with just one towel. Check it out. Okay, all the bad stuff coming off of it. Here the groove, and let's give this thing some time to dry, and we'll go check the seat as well to see if it looks any better now. So the engine cover is dry. Check it out, it looks amazing. So we can see it looks amazing, way better. We just have a little bit of a wet spot here, but it's going away. This is just sunshade, okay, from the sunshine here, you can see, but definitely guys, amazing too. So amazing wipes. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.